Hello friends, welcome to our channel Data Science Lovers, a platform where you can learn from real world projects. In this video, we will learn what is a variable in Python. Variables play a very important role in the programming languages. A variable is used to store some value in it. This store value can be used later. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Let's see some example of variables. If I write x equal to 10, then it shows that x is a variable which contains a integer value of 10. If I write y equal to 10.23, then it shows that y is also a variable which contains a float value of 10.23. If I write z equal to India, then it shows that z is a variable which contains a value of string type. Now if I want to print these variables, then I can simply use the print command. If I want to print the x variable, then I will use print x, and it is showing that the value of x variable is 10. Similarly, the value of y and z variables can be shown like this. It is showing that the value of y variable is 10.23 and the value that is stored in z variable is India. Now variables can even change their type after they have been set. In this example, we have created a variable x with an integer value of 10. Now this can be converted to a string value also. If I write x equal to United States, then it is showing that the variable x contains a value of string type which is United States. Similarly, we have created a variable named z which contains a string type India. If we want to change its type to float, then we can simply write again z equal to 9.0, and now if we print the z variable, then the value of the z variable has been changed. Earlier it was India, now it is 9.0, means the type of the variables can be changed as per our requirement. Now there are some rules to set the names of the variables. A variables can have a short name like x and y, or a more descriptive name like age, car name, total volume, etc. The rules for Python variables are: a variable name must start with a letter or underscore character, like x equal to 2.3 or underscore x equal to 2.4, like this. The second rule is a variable name cannot start with a number. If I assign a variable name like 1, 2, 3, 4 and give a values of 2.3 in it, then it will show a error like this. So the variable name cannot be start with a number. The third rule is a variable names are case sensitive. What does it mean? If I write year equal to 2019, then the value of 2019 is assigned to this year variable. Again, if I write year equal to 2020, and in the third line if I write year equal to 2021, then these three variables have three different values. These three variables are not same. If I show you the value of first year, which is in lower case, then it will show the value of 2019. If I show the value of this year, then it will show the value 2020. Similarly, if I write this, then it will show the value of 2021. This means that the variables names are case sensitive. In our next videos of this playlist, we will learn about these topics. So please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any videos related with this course of data analysis with Python. Thank you.